playing Monopoly Go on PC. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to play Monopoly Go on PC. So let's get started. So what you have to do is you have to be at your BlueStack website by typing BlueStack in your preferred search engine. For example, I'm searching it on Google, and you just have to click on this first link and you will be redirected to their website. After going to their website, you will see the download option. You just have to click on this download option, and after downloading you will see this interface. From here you just have to do is you just have to download games and exit BlueStack. And remember, if you search for Monopoly Go on your PC directly, it won't work. You will need to download it through BlueStack from the Google Play Store on your phone. Now once you have downloaded Monopoly Go through Play Store and BlueStack, simply click on the Monopoly Go icon, and now you will be able to play Monopoly Go on your PC. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.